Today, we're delving into the exciting realm of rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. While Samsung has yet to confirm anything officially, the tech world is abuzz with possibilities. So buckle up and get ready to explore what this phone might offer. Samsung has been blurring the lines between its flagship and mid-range devices lately, and the S24 Fan Edition is expected to follow suit. We can anticipate a design language similar to the S23 Fan Edition, with an AMOLED LED panel delivering vivid colors and sharp visuals. Rumors suggest a screen size of either the familiar 6.4 inches or a slightly more compact 6.1 inches. Regardless, expect a high-resolution display with HDR10 Plus support for stunning visuals. Durability shouldn't be a concern, as the phone is likely to feature either Gorilla Glass Victus or the tougher Victus 2. As for the chipset, there are speculations that Samsung might opt for a global release with just the Exynos option, possibly including the Exynos 2400 Plus, promising significant performance improvements. RAM microSD boost to 12GB, LPDDR5X, and storage options could include 256GB with UFS 4.0 standard, with a possibility of a 128GB variant. Major camera upgrades might not be on the table, with rumors suggesting Samsung might stick with the reliable Samsung ISO-CELOGN 3 sensor for a familiar yet dependable camera system. The S24 Fan Edition is anticipated to launch with Android 14, offering future-proofing with updates up to Android 18. Samsung's innovative Galaxy AI features like Browsing Assist and Chat Assist might also be included. Battery life is expected to remain at 4,500 mAh, with support for 25 daily fast charging and 15 daily wireless charging. As for the rumored engine powering this device, the Exynos 2400 Plus could offer a significant increase in energy efficiency, potentially improving battery life by 5 to 10%. Samsung might be improving production yields, which could lead to lower production costs and a more accessible price point. The use of fan-out wafer-level packaging could revolutionize heat management, ensuring smooth performance, especially during demanding tasks. So, are you excited about the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition? What features are you most curious about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.